Namaste, my name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you functions and structure of production management, which is a part of dairy plant management. In my previous session, I teached you about another functions of production management. Now I add some more functions of the production management. First of all, what is the definition of production management? Production management means planning, organizing, directing, controlling of production activities. Production management deals with converting raw materials into the finished goods or products. It brings together the 6 M's, that is, the men, money, machines, materials, methods, and markets to satisfy the wants of the people or the desire of the people. This is the structure of production management, in which there is a production management department. Under this, production planning and production control department is. Then in production planning, there is a production planning design, that what type of the product is made, it is designed in the production planning design department. Then technical preparation or planning, that what kind of packaging material is used for that and what is the recipes followed for that product is followed by the technical preparation planning. Then production scheduling, that when the product is made is comes under the production scheduling. Then in production control, in production progress control, the progress of the production is controlled by the production progress control. Then production inventory control. Then production cost control. In production cost control, the cost of the product is determined by the production cost control by calculating the raw ingredients. And then production quality control, that the quality of the product is under controlled manner or not. It comes under the production quality control, and all the testing is comes under the production quality control department. Then there are the function. This is the functions of production management. First is the components or functions of production management are as follows. First is selection of product and design, selection of production process, selecting right production capacity, production planning, production control, quality and cost control, inventory control, and maintenance and replacement of the machines. Then first is selection of the product and design. Production management first selects the right product for the production. Then it selects the right design for the product. And care must be taken while selecting the product and design, because the survival and success of the company depends upon it. The product must be selected only after detailed evaluation of all the other alternative products. After selecting the right product, the right design must be selected, and the design must be according to the customer's requirement. And it must give the customers maximum value at the lowest cost. So production management must use techniques such as value engineering and value analysis. Then selection of production process. Production management must select the right production process, and they must decide also about the type of technology, machines, material handling system, etc. Then selecting right production capacity. Production management must select the right production capacity to match the demand for the product, and this is because more or less capacity will create problems. The production management must plan the capacity for both short and long term production, and he must use break-even analysis for capacity planning. Then production planning. Production management includes the production planning, and here the production manager decides the routing and scheduling. Then what is routing? Routing means the deciding the path of the work and the sequence of the operation. That is, the main objective of routing is to find out the best and most economical sequence of operations to be followed in the manufacturing process, and routing ensures a smooth flow of the work. Then scheduling. Scheduling means to decide when to start and when to complete a particular production activity. Then production control. Production management also includes production control. The manager has to monitor and control the production. He has to find out whether the actual production is done as per plans or not. He has to compare actual production with the plans and finds out the deviations. He then takes necessary steps to correct these deviations. Then quality and cost control. Production management also includes quality and cost control. Quality and cost control are given a lot of importance in today's competitive world. Customers all over the world want good quality products at cheapest prices, and to satisfy this demand of the consumers, the production manager must continuously improve the quality of his products. Along with this, he must also take essential steps to reduce the cost of his products. Then inventory control. Production management also includes inventory control. The production manager must monitor the level of inventories. There must be neither overstocking nor understocking of inventories. If there is an overstocking, then the working capital will be blocked and the materials may be spoiled, wasted, and misused. If there is an understocking, then production will not take place as per schedule and deliveries will be affected. Then maintenance and replacement of the machines. Production management ensures proper maintenance and replacement of machines and equipment. The production manager must have an efficient system for continuous inspection, that is a routine checks. Then cleaning, oiling, maintenance and replacement of the machines, equipment, spare parts, etc. Then this prevents breakdown of machines and avoid production halts. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.